Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on adding and subtracting mixed fractions. When performing addition and subtraction with mixed fractions, just change the mixed fractions to improper fractions and proceed normally. So example 1, 1 1/5 plus 2 3/5. So 1 1/5 is 6 over 5, 5 1s are 5, plus 1 is 6, so that's 6 over 5. 5 2s are 10, plus 3 is 13, so it's 13 over 5. Since the two denominators are the same, just add the numerators. That gives us 19 over 5, which is 3 4/5. 5 into 19 goes 3, and 4 left over, so it's 3 4/5. 3 1/2 plus 4 1/3. So 3 1/2 is 7 over 2. 4 1/3 is 13 over 3. The lowest common multiple is 6. That means that the lowest number that 2 and 3 will divide into is 6. So we need this number here to be 6. So we multiply top and bottom by 3. That gives us 21 over 6. We need this number here to be 6, so we multiply top and bottom by 2. That gives us 26 over 6. 21 over 6 plus 26 over 6 is 47 over 6. And that is 7 5/6. Example 3. 4 3/5 minus 2 1/3. That gives us 23 over 5 minus 7 over 3. The LCM is 15. For this number to be 15, multiply top and bottom by 3. We've done that, and that gives us 69 over 15. For that number there to be 15, you multiply top and bottom by 5. There it is there, and that gives us 35 over 15. So 69 over 15 minus 35 over 15 gives us 34 over 15. Which is 2 4/15. Example 4, 2 1/3 plus 4 1/2 plus 1 1/4. That gives us 7 over 3 plus 9 over 2 plus 5 over 4. The LCM is 12. For that denominator to be 12, multiply top and bottom by 4. We've done that here to give us 28 over 12. For that denominator to be 12, multiply top and bottom by 6. We've done that here, and that gives us 54 over 12. And for that denominator to be 12, multiply top and bottom by 3. We've done that here, and that gives us 15 over 12. When we add those three fractions there together, we get 97 over 12. So that gives us 8 1/12. Example 5, 6 3/5 plus 4 1/3 minus 2 1/2. That gives us 33 over 5 plus 13 over 3 minus 5 over 2. The LCM is 30. So for that denominator there to be 30, multiply top and bottom by 6. We've done that here, and that gives us 198 over 30. For that denominator to be 30, multiply top and bottom by 10. We've done that here, which gives us 130 over 30. And for that denominator to be 30, multiply top and bottom by 15. We've done that here, and that gives us 75 over 30. When we simplify those three fractions there, we get 253 over 30, which gives us 8 and 13 over 30. Example 6, 4 1/3 minus 2 1/4 minus 1 1/2. The LCM is 12. For that denominator to be 12, multiply top and bottom by 4. We've done it here, which gives us 52 over 12. For that denominator there to be 12, multiply top and bottom by 3. We've done that here, which gives us 27 over 12. And for that denominator to be 12, multiply top and bottom by 6. We've done that there to give us 18 over 12. When we simplify those three there, that gives us 7 over 12. And that's the answer.